Fortnite.
You there? Come over here, would you?
Mm-mm. Burb.
Bird.
Oh, those are battle burbs. Those are burbs what were equipped for battle. Hey. Holy shit!
And he's trying to peck you.
Oh my god, they got tricks. I have two modes, swing and chug.
They do peck like a son of a bitch.
They sure do peck a punch. Okay, I am a master strategist. Ow!
He just ooh. Oh.
I got cat claws.
You literally are Wolverine now.
I wonder if I unequip. As I was saying, if I unequip. Oh,
That's
sweet
a long way
Jesus.
down.
God damn it. But now that I think about it, leaving the archers would have... What a thrill. I guess technically I could make that. I bet I could make that. It'd be one hell of a shortcut for sure. Let's try it.
Maybe if you got a running start.
Yeah, baby. Fuck.
Fuck you, bird.
Fuck bird. Fuck bird. Who's bird? Which bird? Fuck bird.
Roger is the name.
Hi, Roger.
Like medium hat Logan. Reasonably sized hat. Above average size hat Logan.
Here to challenge Godric and lay your hands upon a great rune.
Yeah.
You can see
I'm gonna ruin his ass.
Take it.
Well,
And then you immediately get your shit kicked in.
yeah, it's what I expect every time I go through a doorway or round a corner or walk 5 feet. You die! You die! Ooh.
Hey, you got a hood. What the fuck is that? Just two little beady eyes poking out.
Those are limbs.
Oh goodness.
Oh yeah, because of the spider. Yes. I can only assume pain waits for me in here. Terrible, wretched, unyielding pain. Oh fuck! Oh, I am ready for our duel. I have dreamt of this day for at least what, 3 days? Oh, you.
I feel like given the fact that you killed the dragon, you could probably chop the goddamn door down.
You'd think.
This magic door, you can't chop it down. Ah.
It has slashing resistance. Son of a... Who stands there getting hit by a sword and is like, here comes. They're just covered in thorns. How will they hug their children? Little Game Grumps reference. Oh shit, son. Oh shit, son. Whoa! Oh my god! Move. No. Where am I going? Where am I going? Nope. Never. Woo! Where the hell does this lead? Drink! Ow! Are you... Oh. That's a beefcake, man. That is one beefcake right there. One entire hunk of beef with some serious cake. Alright, can we juggle him? One! No! Fuck. Oh, they're the little cute things. Look at them. Little jar people. Dead. Oh, God, they explode. Oh, boy, I knew it. I bathe in the fruit juice of my enemies. You got too many fingers.
He has 2 arms. He has a lot more than 2 arms. That's too many arms.
Feel it. Feel my bloody wrath.
Someone has some issues to work out on a corpse.
Oh, hello there.
Oh, hey, buddy.
And met the ugliest of ends, eh?
And back to the stomping. If only I had a giant pickle. Please take my grapes.
position. I'm not.
Oh, who are you? Shoo! Shoo! Go away! Nice underwear, dude. Hey. Oh my god. This looks like his ass is made out of a cardboard box. Yeah, that's right. Get him. Get in his ass. Get in his ass. Take him down. Take him down. Go for the throat. Go team. Go team. Nope. Oh, shit. Oh, it's time to throw down. All right. Let's get this ass whooping over with. Oh. We meet again. Oh, you have friends.
I am Enya, the finger reader.
I love your music.
The words of the fingers guide you.
They're looking at me, aren't they? Holy shit. Put that back wherever the hell you got it. What the hell? Back to hell with you, demon! Yeah, back! Back, you foul beast! Be climbing out of the depths in front of me! Look at him! He's almost adorable! Less adorable. Stop. And away he goes. It's very impressive. Papa, no! Oh, there it is. Can I just sneak up on him? Don't wake up. Just keep sleeping. Nope. Oh, what are you doing? Glintstone Dragon Smaragd, and that shit hurt. You were all out guarding field, but I have horse, so no matter. Oh, one of these pots is gonna come alive. Or maybe they don't have to. What the fucking what?
By the way, I haven't met that girl.
Wait a minute. What the hell am I hearing?
But I believe
Oh, no way. Oh, come on.